Introducing the skyVac Internal 27, our most compact yet powerful internal vacuum. With a 1000 watt single motor and 3,800 litres per minute airflow, the Internal 27 is more powerful than a standard household vacuum. Ideal for tackling stubborn dust and on-air vents, beams, window ledges and electrical tracks in hard-to-reach areas. This machine has a compact 27-litre polypropylene drum, allowing it to fit in a car and weigh 7.8 kilograms, so it is light enough to carry or easily wheel around on-the-go jobs. Included as standard is a skyVac Internal 27 machine, a variety of brushes and tool holders, 5 filter bags, a skyVac pole and tool accessory bag, a 38mm hose and a user manual, along with your choice of poles.